Good morning. You guys all survived our required online learning, not an easy thing, and you guys all got through it. So your grades are final. So those last three simulations that you did last week were the very last grades to go in the grade book, and that is it. So going forward this week and next week, the work is optional, just like your non-DMAT classes. If you have late work, which there's a couple things hanging out there, you have until noon today because grades are going to be stored. So this isn't my deadline. This is because senior grades are going to be stored. So you have until noon today to get that taken care of. I would send an email to me if you turn something in that's late, because otherwise I won't get a notification to go in and update your grades. So if there's anything out there, I've already sent you an email letting you know, but noon today is the cutoff. So for this week, you have two optional assignments. The first one being The Profit. So maybe you've seen this, it's a TV show. The Profit, there is a pretty good episode, which they're pretty short episodes, and it has to do with obviously making a profit, companies making a profit, and they have some situations with their accounting specifically. So this link right here will get you to the episode and then these corresponding questions. So that is the first thing. The second thing is an accounting article. So right now, obviously our economy is in a pretty weird spot with everything going on with the virus. So there's a lot of talk right now about financials, companies filing for bankruptcy, so all kinds of things. But this assignment, you'll be finding one article online about a business or accounting topic. So it could be anything business related. New business, new product, etc., etc. There's going to be plenty. 2 paragraphs. It gives you exactly what you need. The last one, you're doing a review. So pretty self-explanatory, but again, if you have any questions, let me know. And then just a reminder that there's no GPAs this semester. You are going to have a letter grade, but you could choose to have that be pass fail, and you need to email Dawn Fitzgerald as soon as possible because senior grades are going to be stored, and if you don't let her know, it is what it is. So have plenty of time. You know probably where your grade's going to be at. I'd get on that. And that is this week, so totally optional for this week, but still some pretty good stuff. And if you have any questions, please let me know.